Hey, Brandon Davidson with Davidson Audio, and today we are going to take some time to do a little sound comparison for y'all because everybody asked for it. They're like, we want to hear the difference. So we got 3 different Challengers, 3 different audio systems in it to help give you all a good comparison. So let's get to it. All right, to start, like I said, 3 different Challengers. From your left to right, we're going to explain what they are. This right here is a Indian Challenger with the base model 5 1/4 inch speakers in the fairing. That's it. Over here, we have my Indian Challenger with just the Powerband 6 1/2 inch fairing speakers. That's it. Both flat EQs. Over here, we have our kind of shop demo bike, I guess I would call it here. So we have our full 4-speaker fairing pack or 4-speaker package, which most of y'all will be like, well, that's not fair, you get 2 more speakers. Well, guess what? We went ahead and it went into the DSP software. We turned off the rear 2 speakers and turned on only the front 2 and faded it to the front in the ride command to ensure we're only running the 2 front speakers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play a couple of songs at different volumes on each bike, one right after the other, so y'all can hear the actual comparison between the 3 bikes. So that way it can help you justify, is it worth just sticking with the OEM speakers? Or do you get just a Powerband? Or you want to spend the extra money and go with the Davidson audio package? So let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we have all 3 loaded up. We're gonna start the song at the same place and we're gonna play it for probably a good, 15 to 20 seconds, all right? And what we're gonna do first is we're gonna run each song at volume 5. We're gonna run them all through, same song. Then we're gonna go back and do a max volume on each one so you can kind of get it. And then maybe we'll play a second song, I don't know. But we're roughly 25 feet away from the bikes. You know, I kind of did the old 1 foot after the other, so 25, 30 feet somewhere in there. We're gonna stay right here, so I'm gonna go play these songs for you, and then we're gonna do it all over again. All right, so now we have all of them cranked up to the max volume. So again, base model 5 1/4 speakers, Powerband, Davidson audio, fairing package. So let's go. Set the same as far as we can, using the same iPhone, same cord, bike to bike to bike. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to play another song. We're going to keep it all at full volume. We're going to do the same kind of clip, just a different song to hear something different. So let us restage and do it again. All right, again, same iPhone, same USB, all bikes USB, Bluetooth are turned off, same volume, left to right, again.
Wake your ass up, cause it's time to go beast mode. Wake your ass up, cause it's time to go beast mode. Wake your ass up, cause it's time to go beast mode.
That's kind of a wrap. I wanted to use the iPhone as our previous videos. You saw when we did Mr. Key Spike, the microphone that I used to wear doing these videos was way too sensitive. So what it was doing is it's distorting super easy. So we found that the iPhone here, I think this is an iPhone 13, picks up the audio pretty well. I'm hoping that this helps you all. I hope this helps you all kind of gauge the difference in the sounds. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh yeah, my system's the absolute best at whoop their butts. I'm not that kind of person. I try to get these videos out there. I try to get them out to customers that have gone from this to my package, from the Powerband to my audio packages. There's plenty of customers out there that have their own testimonies, and that's kind of what I base my results off of, because these videos, they help a little bit, but when it comes through, by the time we edit it and it comes through to your screen, whatever speakers or Bluetooth or headphones you're using, it's gonna sound different. So my personal unbiased opinion, because I've had all sorts of different stuff in this bike, is the base model is the 5 1/4. If you have the 5 1/4 or the 6 1/2, I honestly don't feel like there is much difference. Maybe it's a placebo effect and you'll be like, oh yeah, those 6 1/2 definitely sounded way better. I don't know. I personally don't think there's a huge difference. Now, when you go to the Powerband 6 1/2, there is a little bit of an increase. Now, I feel like it's more so in the volume that you get out of them. I don't know that I personally feel like there is much audio quality difference, or mean, I think you might get a little bit more mid bass out of them, but we're also going from 5 1/4 to 6.5 inch power bands. I don't know. So again, when it goes from 5 1/4 to 6.5 inch power bands, there is going to be a difference there. Obviously, we're running twice the power from 50 watts to 100 watt per speaker. That's not joint. So it's 100 watts per speaker, 50 watt per speaker. Now, when you come over here, and we're now looking at my audio package that I sell y'all, you have a couple different options. We like to run them at the 200 watts. So now we're talking twice the power bands over to here. We can do them at 100 watts. They're super efficient speakers. Me personally, I still feel like this is going to be an upgrade over both of these. But again, we're talking it's more expensive. It's going to take some of y'all's time, or just bring it down to us or some of our trusted installers to have them do it. I'm not going to sit here and applaud my system and say it absolutely dominated. I'll let my customers that we've done speak for it, and hopefully this video helps out as well. I know there's a bunch of noise going on, so I hope this video helps. And that's the reason why we did this video. I just wanted to give you all an opportunity to hear. Well, we had the opportunity for 3 different bikes to be here. And in our future videos, we're going to take the time to demo the bike before and after, and to go a lot more depth into our installs, as we have a couple scheduled coming up. Y'all are really going to like what we've got coming up. Speaking of what we have coming up, let's talk about our 1,500 subscriber giveaway. I think we're just over 1,100 right now, so we're under 400 away. So again, we have tuned up with 2 other kick butt companies that are going to be that are currently doing some awesome things for the Indians, but wanted to team up with us to give you all something. And that's with Mad Monkey Motorsports and Hoonies Garage. The 3 of us have teamed up to give one of you lucky subscribers and winners a free ECU tune on the 3 of us. So all you have to do is, 1, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video and other videos. Drop us a comment, because myself and my team here at Davidson Audio want to know what content y'all want to see from us in these videos. And then again, share the videos, get it out there, and help us grow this channel. But I'm not going to be selfish. Go over to Mad Monkey Motorsports and Hoonies Garage social media pages. Give them a like, give them a follow, and check out what they're doing, because they're 2 great guys with a great company. So with that being said, Davidson Audio, and we're out.